Hey girlfriends, today we're going to be making salmon crab cakes, a combination of salmon and crab. So relax, sit back, and stay with me while we go through this journey of how I made them. And here's a tip for you. Always start with a preheated pan in your oven. Grease it down or use any type of oil that you want. And then put your salmon crab cakes in. They're going to come out so crispy and tender, and they won't fall apart. It helps keep them together when you have them in a preheated pan. And look at this. Look how crispy and fluffy they look. Oh my goodness. As you can see, it looks like I fried them, but I didn't. This is done all in the oven. You can use any topping that you like, but I decided to take a little bit of yogurt, some chili oil, some lemon, and some Italian seasoning, and made it into this beautiful sauce to go over the top. Look at this. I'm really happy with the way these came out. And that's about it. So thanks for stopping by today. Take care. Come visit me over on Substack at Sister Girl Second Act. On Spotify, I have Second Act Rediscovered. And my Instagram. All links are in the description.